Most 3D printers promise speed and precision, but only a few actually deliver consistent high-quality prints. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right 3D printer without confusion. I'll cover real print quality, speed, features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon features a Creality structure with up to 500 mm per second printing speed. It includes a 320 degrees centigrade nozzle, built-in camera, and auto calibration system. It's ready to print right out of the box. Review highlights. This printer offers fast performance and solid print quality. It's ideal for users who want a reliable and easy-to-use setup. Pros: Creality high-speed printing, 320 degrees centigrade, high-temp nozzle, auto calibration system, built-in camera. Number 4. Creality K2 Combo. The Creality K2 Combo supports multicolor printing with the CFS system. It features a 300 degrees centigrade direct drive extruder, 600 mm per second speed, and auto leveling. It also includes an AI camera for monitoring prints. Review highlights. This printer delivers strong performance with advanced features. It's a great option for users who want multicolor capability. Pros: multicolor printing support, 600 mm per second high speed, AI camera monitoring, auto leveling system. Number 3. Creality K2 Plus. The K2 Plus combo takes things further with a large 350x350x350 mm build volume. It includes dual AI cameras, multicolor printing, and high-speed performance. It's designed for large and complex projects. Review highlights. This printer stands out for its large build size and advanced features. It's perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists. Pros: large build volume, dual AI cameras, multicolor printing, high-speed performance. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a high-speed Creality printer with multicolor support and up to 600 mm per second printing speed. It features a 300 degrees centigrade direct drive extruder and auto leveling. It's built for precision and efficiency. Review highlights. This printer offers excellent print quality and speed. It's a strong choice for users who want both performance and color printing. Pros: multicolor printing, 600 mm per second, fast printing, 300 degrees centigrade direct drive extruder, high precision output. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M features a Creality all-metal structure with up to 600 mm per second speed. It includes a 280 degrees centigrade extruder, fully automatic leveling, and a detachable nozzle system. It's designed for both beginners and advanced users. Review highlights. This printer stands out for its reliability, speed, and ease of use. It delivers consistent print quality across different projects. Pros: 600 mm per second, high-speed printing, fully auto leveling, detachable nozzle system, reliable and user-friendly. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing print quality, speed, features, and overall usability, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer stands out as the best 3D printer in 2026. It offers the perfect balance of performance, reliability, and ease of use, making it the best choice for most users. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.